You want to know what loyalty is? When somebody remembers you from 6 years ago. I restored this guy's car, Jeremy. Guess what he was doing? Selling it. This one, selling this one too. Guess what I did? Corrected it and restored it. Whew. It was some work. It's an '08 Infiniti. He's selling it, and oh my God, it looks brand new again. Contact the gentleman below if you're interested in purchasing this vehicle. Inside, outside, flawless. Looks great. Didn't ceramic coat it. No. Didn't ceramic coat it. But went ahead and topped it off with a 3-month sealant. Hey, if you want to ceramic coat it, boom. All you gotta do is just add it to it. Won't need any correction work. You're ready to ceramic coat.